Hello dear student, welcome to class of mathematics. Today we will discuss chapter 5, simplification. When all the four operation signs plus, minus, multiplication and division are present in a problem, we follow certain rules to decide the order of operation. But what is the importance of order of operation in simplification? We are trying to understand importance of order of operation in simplification using one example. Simplify 8 plus 12 divided by 4 multiplied by 2 minus 1. We solve it three different ways. Method 1. Eight plus 12 divided by 4 multiplied by 2 minus 1. Solve from the left side. First we operate addition. 8 plus 12 we get 20. We put other terms as it is. That means divided by 4 multiplied by 2 minus 1. Next we operate division. 20 divided by 4. We get 5 and we put other terms as it is. That means multiply by 2 minus 1. Next we operate multiplication. 5 multiplied by 2 we get 10 and minus 1 as it is. At last we operate subtraction. 10 minus 1 we get 9. Second method. Method 2. 8 plus 12 divided by 4 multiplied by 2 minus 1. Solve from the right side. So we operate first of all subtraction. 8 plus 12 divided by 4 multiplied by 2 minus 1, that is 1. Next we operate multiplication. So 8 plus 12 divided by 4 because 4 ones are 4. Next we operate division. 8 plus 3 because 12 divided by 4 answer is 3. At last we operate addition. 8 plus 3 we get 11. Next method number 3. Eight plus 12 divided by 4 multiplied by 2 minus 1. In this method, first of all we operate division. That means 12 divided by 4. Other than this term, we put as it is. 8 plus 12 divided by 4, that means 3. Multiply by 2 minus 1. Next, we operate multiplication. So, 8 plus 3 multiplied by 2, it means 6 minus 1. Next, we operate 8 plus 6, we get 14 minus 1. At last, we operate subtraction. 14 minus 1, we get 13. Here, we have three different solutions for the same problem. But which of the method is correct? Method 3 is correct. So, simplification rule is Demas rule. That means, first of all, we do division. After that, we do multiplication. After that, we do addition. And at last, we do subtraction. Order of operation is very important in solving sums involving one or more operation. Next, we are going to start activity 1. Now, we are going to start activity 1. Question number 1. Simplify using Demas rule. Here, D for division, M for multiplication, F for addition, and S for subtraction. Let's start with A. 13 multiplied by 2 minus 4. Using Demas rule, for simplification, we have 13 multiplied by 2 minus 4. Here there is no division operation, therefore we operate multiplication. Thirteen multiplied by 2, we get 16 and minus 4 as it is. Now we operate subtraction. 26 minus 4, we get 22. This is our answer. Next, C. 20 divided by 5 minus 2 multiplied by 3 plus 9. Using Demas rule, for simplification, we have 20 divided by 5 minus 2 multiplied by 3 plus 9. First of all, we operate division. 20 divided by 5, we get 4. Remaining terms are as it is. That is minus 2 multiplied by 3 plus 9. Next, we operate multiplication. 4 minus 6 plus 9, because 2 multiplied by 3, answer is 6. Next, we add 4 and 9. That is, we use addition operation. 4 plus 9, we get 13 and minus 6 as it is. Now we operate subtraction. 13 minus 6, answer is 7. Next, E. 8 multiplied by 5 plus 32 divided by 4 minus 8. Using Demas rule, for the simplification, we have 8 multiplied by 5 plus 32 divided by 4 minus 8. First, we do division. 8 multiplied by 5 plus 8, because 32 divided by 4 we get answer 8, and at last minus 8. Now we do multiplication of 8 and 5. 8 fives are 40 plus 8 minus 8. Next we operate addition. 40 plus 8 we get 48 and minus 8. At last we operate subtraction. 48 minus 8, answer is 40. Next we solve G. 21 plus 36 minus 15 divided by 3. Using Demas rule, for simplification, we have 21 plus 36 minus 15 divided by 3. First of all, we operate division. So, 21 plus 36 minus 5, because 15 divided by 3 we get 5. Next we operate addition. 21 plus 36 we get 57 minus 5. Next we operate subtraction. 57 minus 5 we get answer 52. This is our final answer. Next we solve I. 64 divided by 16 multiplied by 3 plus 2. Using Demas rule, for simplification, we have 64 divided by 16 multiplied by 3 plus 2. First of all, we do division. 64 divided by 16, we get answer 4. Multiply by 3 plus 2. Now we do multiplication. 4 multiplied by 3, answer 12, and plus 2 as it is. And at last we do addition. 12 plus 2, we get answer 14. This is our final answer. Next we solve J. Using Demas rule for simplification, we have 3 complete 1 upon 2 plus 2 complete 2 upon 7 multiplied by 14 upon 16 multiplied by 2 complete 1 upon 2 divided by 2. First of all, we convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन को इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए होल नंबर एंड डिनोमिनेटर का मल्टीप्लिकेशन करेंगे. देन वी ऐड न्यूमरेटर. आफ्टर एडिशन जो नंबर मिलेगा वो होगा इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन का न्यूमरेटर. 2 3 6, 6 plus 1 7 अपॉन 2. यहाँ पे डिनोमिनेटर एज इट इज रहेगा. प्लस 7 2 14, 14 plus 2 16 अपॉन 7 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 14 अपॉन 16 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 2 4, 4 plus 1 5 अपॉन 2 divided by 2. First of all, we operate division. But we divide fraction by a whole number. So, we multiply the fraction by the reciprocal of whole number. And reciprocal of 2 is 1 upon 2. 7 upon 2 plus 16 upon 7 multiply by 14 upon 16 multiply by 5 upon 2 multiply by 1 upon 2. Because reciprocal of 2 is 1 upon 2. नाउ यहाँ पे 16 न्यूमरेटर में भी है एंड डिनोमिनेटर में भी है. सो हम 16 को कैंसिल कर सकते हैं. इज इक्वल टू 7 अपॉन 2 प्लस 14 अपॉन 7 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 5 अपॉन 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1 अपॉन 2. Now we write 14 as 7 into 2. Therefore, 7 cancel and 2 cancel is equal to 7 upon 2 plus 5 upon 2. Now we do addition of these two numbers. Here denominator are same. Therefore, 7 plus 5 upon 2. 7 plus 5 we get 12 upon 2. 12 can be written as 6 into 2. So 2 cancel and we get final answer only 6. Next, K. 18 minus 12 divided by 4 plus 4 and multiply by 4. Using Demas rule, for simplification, we get 18 minus 12 divided by 4 plus 4 multiply by 4. First of all, we operate division. (18 minus 3) because 12 divided by 4 we get 3 plus 4 multiply by 4. Next we do multiplication. Is equal to 18 minus 3 plus 16. Next we operate addition. Addition of 18 and 16. We get sum 34 and at last minus 3 as it is. Now we operate subtraction. 34 minus 3, answer is 31. Next we solve m. 10 plus 8 multiply by 2 minus 12 plus 27 divided by 9 minus 16 divided by 2. Using Demas rule, for simplification, we have 10 plus 8 multiplied by 2 minus 12 plus 27 divided by 9 minus 16 divided by 2. First of all, we do division of these two numbers and these two numbers. Is equal to 10 plus 8 multiplied by 2 minus 12 plus 3 minus 8 because 27 divided by 9 answer is 3 and 16 divided by 2 answer is 8. Next we do multiplication. Is equal to 10 plus 16 minus 12 plus 3 minus 8. Next we add these two numbers. 10 plus 16 we get 26 minus 12 plus 3 minus 8. Now we add those two numbers which have plus sign, that is 26 plus 3. 26 plus 3 we get answer 29 minus 12 minus 8. Now we do subtraction of these two numbers. 29 minus 12, answer is 17 minus 8. Now we subtract 8 from the 17. 17 minus 8, we get answer 9. This is our final answer. Here we complete question number M. Remaining sum of question number 1 you will do in homework in CW book. Now we are going to solve question number 2. Fill in the blanks using plus, minus, multiplication or division. A. 3 multiplied by 4 dash 2 is equal to 10. यहाँ पे हम डैश में प्लस माइनस मल्टीप्लिकेशन और डिवीज़न रख के लेफ्ट हैंड साइड एंड राइट हैंड साइड को चेक करेंगे. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी पुट एडिशन ऑन लेफ्ट हैंड साइड ऑफ इक्वल टू. So LHS equal to 3 multiplied by 4 plus 2. First we do multiplication. 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 2. Now we do addition. 12 plus 2, 14. But this is not equal to RHS. So यहाँ पे प्लस नहीं आ सकता. Next we put division. 3 multiplied by 4 divide by 4. So first of all we do division. 3 multiplied by 1. Now we do multiplication. 3 ones are 3. This is also not equal to RHS. Now we put 3 multiplied by 4 minus 2. First of all we multiply these two numbers. So 3 4s are 12 minus 2. Now we do subtraction. 12 minus 2 we get 10. This is equal to RHS. So ब्लैंक में माइनस साइन आएगा. नेक्स्ट वी सॉल्व सी. 21 डैश 3 प्लस 11 इज इक्वल टू 18. जो फैक्ट ए में यूज़ किया है वही फैक्ट सी में भी यूज़ करेंगे. LHS में प्लस माइनस मल्टीप्लिकेशन और डिवीज़न रख के LHS एंड RHS चेक करेंगे. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी पुट एडिशन ऑन LHS. 21 प्लस 3 प्लस 11. सो LHS हमें मिलेगा 35 एंड ए RHS के इक्वल नहीं है, सो एडिशन साइन नहीं आएगी. नेक्स्ट वी पुट माइनस ऑन लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. First of all we do addition of these two numbers. 21 plus 11 we get 32 minus 3. Now we do subtraction. 32 minus 3, answer is 29. This is also not equal to RHS. Next we put division on left hand side. So first of all we do division. 21 divided by 3, answer is 7 plus 11. Now we operate addition. 7 plus 11 answer is 18. This is equal to RHS. तो ब्लैंक में प्लस साइन आएगी. नेक्स्ट वी सॉल्व B. 6 divided by 3 dash 6 is equal to 8. First of all, we put addition on left side. So LHS is equal to 6 divided by 3 plus 6. First, we do division. 6 divided by 3, we get 2 plus 6. Next, we do addition. 2 plus 6, answer is 8. This is equal to RHS. So, ब्लैंक में प्लस साइन आएगी. नेक्स्ट वी सोल्व D. 63 minus 3 dash 21 is equal to 0. First of all, we put plus sign on left hand side of equal to. So 63 minus 3 plus 21. First of all, we add 63 and 21. (63 plus 21) we get answer 84 minus 3. Now we do subtraction. 84 minus 3, answer is 81. This is not equal to 0. Therefore, LHS not equal to RHS. So, ब्लैंक में प्लस साइन नहीं आ सकती. नेक्स्ट वी पुट मल्टीप्लिकेशन साइन ऑन लेफ्ट हैंड साइड ऑफ इक्वल टू. So 63 minus 3 multiplied by 21. First we multiply these two numbers. (63 minus 63). So answer is 0. This is equal to RHS. Therefore, डैश में मल्टीप्लिकेशन साइन आएगी. नेक्स्ट E and F do in homework in CW book. Here we complete activity 1 of chapter 5. Thank you all of you.